Here we have the Polestar display. Polestar is one of the sponsors of this show. So these are the Polestar 2. I'm still waiting for the SUV to come out. But in the meantime, these things are pretty cool. Here we have another Cars and Coffee sponsor, Next Level Detailing. And it looks like they bought out this beautiful McLaren 720. Wow, it's got... Look at the carbon fiber on that. It's like a reddish tint.
It's down in Escondido. But yeah, basically he was the painter these guys recommended. He does it on his own time.
And next to that we have a C8 Corvette. A C8 Corvette with Lambo doors.
Oh, Jay. Your name is on here? No, not really. This is the phone. Mark.
Yeah.
But we got everything in stock, even if you want Corvette. We also do window tint, clear bra.
Cool.
Yo, what's up? My name's Austin.
Yeah, pretty cool. A lot of carbon in this thing. Gee, leaving already? Why are people leaving? It must be another show happening. People are leaving, and it's basically only an hour in the show. James's Audi R8, a cool Audi station wagon, Porsche GT3 RS, 650, Z06 Corvette. All right, the first Z06 Corvette in public. Yeah, and this one's got the Z07 package as well. You know, I saw this yesterday, a couple days ago at the LA Auto Show. It was the yellow one. And this red one looks much better. Yeah, Corvette should be red. So it's got the 07 package, which includes these canards right there, like carbon fiber wheels, along with the carbon fiber brakes, or carbon brakes. Lots of carbon. Yeah, carbon on the roof. And he's got the competition seats in there. Great. And you see the engine, brand new, off the showroom floor. Nice. The extremely loud exhaust system. I like that. Rear view camera.
So you're pretty excited?
All right, so let's take another view of it here.
One day. Drive safe. Good seeing you both.
There we have the SLC Superlight belonging to Don Davis. And that's the man who built it. Ferrari Italia, and yeah, all the cars that left early that you just saw. Yeah, I'm not sure where they're going. We have the new Lamborghini Huracan STO belonging to Supercar Garage. McLaren 720, McLaren 570, Ferrari F8, F12, Turbo S, another Lamborghini with crushed carbon fiber, and I see the hood's up. So Papa Monday, let's see what he has under the hood. Ah, yeah. VF Engineering Supercharger. Ferrari Italia. Next to a McLaren 650. LDR8. Ferrari Pista. And it's got the engine bay up, so let's take a look at it. And a Porsche teddy bear taking a ride. Okay, shouldn't be a Ferrari teddy bear, but here we have the engine on the Pista. Notice that it's mounted much lower than the Ferrari Italia that I showed you before. And this lowers the center of gravity on the car and gives better handling. Next to that, we have Lamborghini Aventador. And then here we have the McLaren Senna. Wow. The Senna. Yeah, and he's got the optional glass door right here, so people can see your leg when you're driving. Yeah. Actually, what it's for is so when you're driving, you can look down here and kind of like get a better view of the road, so you don't curve it. Lowrider Buick Riviera. Wow. Yeah, it's got the true lowrider. Check it out. Drum brakes in the front, side pipes, shaved doors, no door handle.
That's what I'm trying to.
Lollipop door lock. Look at the interior. Wow. Yeah. No need for windshield wipers, because you're not going to take this thing out in the rain. And of course, check out that roof. It's just shining, so metallic. Wow. And of course, hand pinstripe. It's an off-road thing. Yeah. I mean, wow. Adjustable shocks are just right here. Lots of travel with this thing. That's cool. And not to be outdone, check this out. It's a bug thing. It's wow. I guess you want to take your bug off road, this will do it. I mean, it's got a lot of ground clearance, big knobby tires, fenders, yeah. Wow. And completely redone suspension system. There's a fuel tank, a hinges hang out the butt. Wow. Yeah, that's the very definition of rear engine. I mean, look at the suspension travel on this. It starts up here, goes up, goes up, goes up, and it continues up to here. Yeah, that is insane. This thing is insane. Looks like this thing came to South OC Cars and Coffee the hard way. Lowrider, set in the high riding setting. Yeah. All right, so since it's jacked up, we can take a look at the underside. The underside, check it out. There you go. That's what it looks like.
They literally do just weld that.
Oh, and in case you're wondering how many battery it takes to lift the car, there you go. Check it out. Yeah, the trunk is totally unusable now, but yeah, it's it's kind of cool, I guess. Classic hot rod. Oh my God, check it out. Exposed engine, tri-pack carburetor, open exhaust, basically no mufflers. And look at the suspension. Leaf springs with a torsion bar. Ah man, that talk about yesterday's tech. And look, drum brakes. Drum brakes. Oh, this thing is awesome. I love the brake pedal's a foot. Yeah. Giant drag radials in the back. Hand pinstriping. And of course the drum brakes in the back as well. Wow. That's great. All right, so yeah, no doors, so you put your foot on there and you step into it. Like getting into a bathtub. Aston Martin Vantage, and the doors open. You notice the door opens up a little bit, so you know clears the curb. Just make sure you don't scratch the doors. Check out the interior. Yeah. Smell that leather. Wow. Trunk, nice little leather wrap trunk divider. And next to it we have a Jaguar SUV. Yeah. SVR, hot rod SUV. McLaren 720. And it's got the doors open. So we can take a look at the interior here. You know, the sill here goes down, so you can get in and out of the car easier. (992) Turbo S with a Tech Art body kit. Wow, this is fully outfitted. So, yeah, it's got what? Look at those wheels. You know, they don't touch. It doesn't touch. It actually the back piece touch. So they're like invisible fingers. Yeah, and you put a roll cage in it, so the back seat is now useless.
Who wants that old shit? I love that car. I did too. No, that's good. Well, you know Brandon.
Audi R8, V10, and the sister car, I suppose, the Lamborghini Huracan. And here we have an Aston Martin Vantage Spider F1 edition. Check it out, F1 edition. This is basically the same convertible mechanism as the Mercedes AMG. Yeah, they supply it. Most of the switches and the infotainment system also come from Mercedes. Mercedes owns 10% of Aston, so, and I have a feeling eventually they'll probably buy out Aston Martin themselves, because right now the company's in the dumps. Good looking car. Good looking car. Okay, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 to 11 here at the San Clemente Outlet. If you're into cars, this is the place to be on a Saturday morning. John Shop and johnshop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.